Hi, this is Alan from MeasureSquare. Today, we'll be going over how to create a checklist template in JobTrakr. This will let you create a list of items you can reuse across different projects and associate them with tasks. As you complete the items on the list, you can check them off. To get started, let's go to your corporation page by clicking on the Account button at the upper right, and then clicking on My Corp. Then we'll click on Checklist Templates at the left-hand side. You can see a list of existing checklist templates on this page. We're going to create a new one by clicking on New Checklist Template at the upper right. Here, I'll type in the name of my checklist template, then I'll add items to my checklist. Since this is going to be a wall paint prep checklist, I'll put in items such as repair holes, clean wall, remove outlet, and tape off areas. Then I'll click on Save to finalize these items. To apply this checklist to my project, I'll click on Projects at this top toolbar right here. Then I'll click on this project to enter it. I'll click on Plans, and I'll go ahead and select this floor plan here. And you can see my floor plan with a single task on it. I'll go ahead and click on the task here in the floor plan, and you can see that the task details pop up at the right. In the details right here, you can see that there is a button, if you scroll down, that says Add Checklist. We'll click on that, and we'll click on the checklist that we just created, wall paint prep. And you can see that all of your items from your checklist are imported here. Now that it's imported, you can check them off as the checklist items get completed. And then click Save to save these items that were checked off onto your task. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like, comment on this video, or subscribe to our channel.